Julie. You are watching Treasures Made from Yarn, and in this video it is my weekly work in progress video. So as always, we get started on the items or projects I had finished first. I got the sloth done. Turned out pretty cute. I'm not sure how I am feeling about the claws. I used a black scrubby yarn for the claws. But other than that, it turned out pretty cute. And I hope that the head, I attached the head the best I could to keep it from flopping around. But there it is. That's the sloth. That is for my church friend. And I will give this to this week. Oh, I made another little donut to do. I do plan on making a tutorial on this little fidget donut. This particular donut, I don't know if you can hear. Well, not very well. I used some scrap. I can't speak. I used scrap grocery bag in here. Hope maybe give that crinkly sound if some people might like, but it doesn't crinkle as much as some other plastics. But that's what's in that little donut. So I ended up, for this next gift bag, this project, I end up jumping in on a live from Michelle Crochets in Kansas. I missed the base part of it, so I improvised on the base, which I think I have 44 stitches on that. And I think I did the same. I made the bottom like I do my basket tutorial. But yeah, I pretty much followed after that. Pretty much followed her pattern. I did a drawstring for the bag. And I didn't think of this until after the fact. I would have said that join the two chains. I'm not quite sure how I like that, but I didn't think of it after the fact. I would have just attached the two string ends to the bag itself, make it more secure. I think I do plan on making more bags because this is a very good idea for I'm doing Christmas in July. Actually, I got invited by K&K Crochet. Coming up in July, they're doing a Christmas extravaganza in July, which sounds like a good idea. Go to their channel for more details on that, and they'll probably let me know more details as it gets closer. I said I would participate. So yeah, gift bags are always a good idea for Christmas. I think would make, even for somebody who might not appreciate handmade gifts, they might appreciate a handmade gift bag if they're into being eco-friendly packaging. So anyway, that is my gift bag. And I finished up the other sock for my small shell socks. The tutorial is out for these socks, so if you want to make these socks, check out the tutorial. All right, that is it for my finished projects, and it's time to go on to my work in progress projects. This is the waiting shawl. So I got a little bit more done to it. I got the brown stripe done, and now I'm on to the light brown. So I had a chance to work on that for a little bit this week. I got my mystery yarn box, if you've seen that video of the unboxing. So I have that project started. So if you've seen my unboxing video, you probably have seen some of the progress I have done on it. is the progress on that. So I'm making a stripe for each color I got in the box. I've already got each color once already. Now I'm starting to repeat the colors. I am liking how this pattern is turning out. So that will probably be a future video tutorial. If you check my unboxing video, I show a little bit of how I do it at the end of that video. So you probably get an idea how to start that. You can try to make this your own. So make sure you check out the unboxing video. And I show you to at least briefly show how I make this shawl. Yeah, it's forgot I haven't worked much with Care-On Simply Soft, and I forgot how kind of soft this feels. So this is turning out pretty good. All right, not much progress on this. Is going to be my basket. I'm still on the base of the basket, and I have to cut out more strips yet. So I got a little more progress done on this, but not much. I might want to get this finished by April, because Pamela's Adoring Crochet, I guess they're doing monthly baskets. And I probably would want to get this done for the month of April. Yeah, a good way to use up a bunch of grocery bags. I already have several baskets made from this already. And it's kind of challenging. Oh, it's not challenging, but it's a little work to cut up the bags into stripes or the strips. So, all right, so that is that. Now all I have left are my temperature projects. This one is the crochet one. This one is up to date. So yeah, I had a bunch of days of 80s. Then it dropped down to the 50s. Yeah, changing temperature. And we had 60s for 2 days. But if you can see it all, I didn't do much. I think I might have done a few more ends on that, but this is coming along nicely. It'll be a nice little scarf when it's done. Oh, and here is April's temperature blanket for the month of April. And just as a reminder, I'm using this calendar, 365-day calendar. So I am currently a little bit, not too bad behind. I'm currently, as I'm making the video, got to start April 15th yet. And I had to change a new color because it'll be a new temperature. But we had a spout of 80s for a while. So that's this darker color. But what I'm doing now, I don't know if you can see, that I'm only doing the pattern stitch. I'm only part of the row, and I'm using garter stitch for the rest of it because I think it just goes faster. And sometimes it's a little harder, and I don't want to deal with 100 stitches of a complicated pattern when I only have to deal with a small section. Now some patterns I'm just going to have to do the whole row, like the drop stitch. I don't think the drop stitch would have worked. I'm only doing a partial of the blanket. So kind of like that. So now you probably see all my future blankets having mostly garter stitch in it, with just having the pattern in just a small section of the blanket. So that is how that's turning out. And that is it for all my works in progress and finished objects. Again, check out the sock tutorial. And check out, also you can check out the basket tutorial, which I am using for my, the basket tutorial that I am using for the plastic bag basket. So if you did like this video, please give it a like. If you'd like to see more content like this and don't miss out on any future tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you, as always, for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.